Yeah, so what's up viewers and subscribers? Respect for tuning into another video. So viewers and subscribers, basically me know say enough people are gonna vex with me for the video, yeah. Enough people are gonna click off of the video to etc. Because right now me there are Rems people and you know when me I wonder in myself, who are the baddest artists right now? Who are push out the baddest dancehall tune them right now? I'm not talk where a man do before. You understand what I mean? We mean who currently right now are push out the baddest song them in a dancehall. Yeah, basically me know enough people are gonna say cartel. You understand what I mean? Cause you don't know a Gaza forever and you don't know me as a Gaza fans. You see me? I make you know that straight. You see me? Adi and my daddy, Adi are the boss, world boss forever, you see me? But watch him what's now. You don't know say you have the alkaline fans them over one part two. I go say you a vendetta. You see me I say, and you don't know you have some people that say a skeng too. You have no people that say a skilly. You understand what I mean? Everybody have them own opinion, you understand what I mean? But basically, my opinion, who is the baddest thing right now, people? Yeah, I know enough people that go say you're rare about this, you see me I say. But Kingdom right now, I push out the baddest dancehall tune them right now. With Chronicler over one part over this as a therapist people. Me I want to know that. Chronicler are definitely therapists. Body in my own right, you understand what I mean? You see me? But when you look upon it, as Kingdom really I push out a bad dancehall tune them right now, you see me? Never had it. And I don't go around that, because watch I know at the end of the day. I don't know say Vibes Cartel like baddest thing, touch dancehall, you see me? Yeah, I don't know. Bounty fans them are gonna disagree, but I just saw the thing go about the facts, you see me I say. But right now, I didn't push out the kind of tune them when used to push out. You see me, them no bad that way, them no have that punch that way. Because viewers and subscribers, when you look back in the past and look back on Addy tune and listen Addy tune them to know, you understand, when you see say kind of water down a little way, you see me? But then again, you have to understand on one side to say at the end of the day, Addy have theme thing I deal with, because you don't know him affair. Deal with him case thing and you see me I say you don't know say that stress out mind and ray and baiting, you see me? So basically you don't know say you be to them thing and him have a whole heap of thing pan him plate. The meds now come across that way they like one time when you don't know him free and happy road, you see me? Alkaline to same speed, you see me? Alkaline gonna foreign and he come like, me don't know, him just can't get back in touch because him not around him people them again, you understand what I mean? Vado to on one side and now get the same effect out of Vado tune them as where you used to get. So look upon it, you see me? Skeng right now are the baddest thing. Skillibeng round a one part around this too. Same speed, you see me? And you don't know say, you don't know Valiant are doing thing, Josh them are do them thing, you see me? But them no reach. You see me I say, them level stay yet, you see me? Now I say Skeng is way above them on the levels, you know, but what me I say, currently right now, as King I push out the baddest dancehall tune them. You see me? As well me say me know enough people are gonna disagree, enough people are gonna jump off of the video to same speed. You see me? But that is just my intake on the whole situation. You understand what I mean? You see me? When you really sit down and Rems, King Badman tune them. Everything the man touched on gold people, just like Chronicler. You see me? Everything Chronicler touched on gold, but them man they teach about real life story, real facts in a life. You see me? I the still bad in my own right, you know. You see me? Because you don't know, you know, Gaza forever, you know. You see me? So I don't want the Gaza people them come for me because he's also one of the biggest Gaza fans too. You see me? From the day I did touch dancehall, I did me say, you see me I say, up to today day, but you don't know the facts is just the facts. And if everybody for really look on the painting, on the wall, you see me I say, Skeng down I push out the baddest thing them right now. I see it. Vibes Cartel still current, always accurate, because you don't know them man the thing never too water down, because them man they keep up them and hold up them pace. You see me I say viewers and subscribers. But anyways, tell me what you all think down into the comment section. Don't come for me though, you know. Don't come for me, just share your thoughts, share your opinion and make me know what you think about all of this. You see me? More that says Kingdom are the baddest thing right now. You see me? Valiant have him look flow and him look style where yeah the people them love. You see me? Just over one part over this, so Silk Boss over one part over this. But you don't know these are all new dancehall acts. You understand what I mean? Just coming at the thing right now. You see me? Most of them, you understand what I mean? Added them are the veteran, just like killer them, and you see me? But you don't know. In dancehall, in life overall, everything have an era, you see me? Just like how you did have the Bunty and the Beanie era, and then you have the Movado and the Vibes Cartel era. Right now, a skeng era this. You understand what I mean? So you don't know the whole match. But as well I say, tell me what you think down into the comment section. Share your thoughts and let us know what is in your mind. You see me? I say, yeah, and just remember to give this video a like, you know? Subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. You understand what I mean? Gaza forever. Ratty gang. You understand? I'm out.
I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.